Hello, boss. This is your restaurant furniture list. Before shipping, we will check every furniture for you. Let's
Put it
go.
anywhere.
This is the two-person table legs. It's made of stainless steel, gold stainless steel. This is the table for two person. There are 4 pieces. Tabletop 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the table for 4 person is totally 10 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, here 10. And here is the table leg. Table on the base. This is your name, boss. Your name. Leg under base. Okay, and plus.
来踩，来！我们这里的老仔脖子上喜欢挂玉牌，香
哇
上牌，长大才开白黄牌。虔诚拜三拜，钱包里面多几百，记得是6合彩。
This is the chair leg. Okay, one box, 10 legs. Totally 6 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here. Okay, this is the chair. The quantity of the chair is 16 pieces. This is there is 4 in a box. 4 in a box. Totally 15 boxes. 15 plus 4 is 60. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Totally 15 boxes. 4 in a box. Okay. Hello, boss. This is your conference chair. Here. Hello, boss. This is the conference chair. Totally is 14 pieces, right? And one box, 2 pieces. One box, 2 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, look at here, 14 pieces. One box, 2 chairs. 2 plus 7 is 14. Okay. Hello, this is the swatches. This is the conference tabletop. One box, 2 tops. 1, 2, and another box. Okay, here is the bigger one. 1, 2. Okay, and here is the conference table legs. 1 box, 2 box, 3 box. This is the leg.
This is fucking J.